Crash is coming, ready or not. Seems things are definitely hotting up. We may come, but we may go. Just been part actors in a long-running show. Think we play the starring role, but I think not. Definitely not. Mother Nature still in charge, way, way after we depart. Though we think we are so clever, we won't be here forever. Adios, au revoir, goodbye. Mother Nature waves bye-bye. We're still digging holes in the sand, stick our heads in, best laid plan. To the problem, the time in, surround ourselves with lots of bling. Mother Nature still in charge, way, way after we depart. Though we think we are so clever, we won't be here forever. Adios, au revoir, goodbye. Thought we were in charge, that we could bend the rules. But when you bend too far, things tend to break. Especially if you never give, but you always take. Guess we should apologize. This should come as no surprise. We have let our children down. Guess they'll think their parents clowns. Climate crisis, catastrophe. This was not how it was meant to be. Mother Nature, she's still in charge. Mother Nature, she is still in charge, and she will be way, way after we depart. Well, we thought we were so clever, but we won't be here forever. Adios, au revoir.